This video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss how to data merge or layer stacking by pci Geomatica software version 9.1 of Landsat A data. So at first open pci Geomatica software, then add band of individual band of Landsat 543 band. Then 3, 4 and 5, then add 5, 4, 3. So these data are Landsat 8 sensors or satellite data. So these are single channel band, do not standard false color composite, do not standard false color composite. So let's start how to data merge pci Geomatica software. So at first go to tools, then data merge. So available files and layer, these are available layers. So select all three band 5, 4 and 3, then next. So output file name, so layer stack or data merge 9, output folder name. So output format pci pix file format. Then georeferencing setup. So from file, so select this any layer of 3 band, automatically georeferencing setup UTM and UTM zone 45 northern hemisphere. Then resolutions, so from file and then select of this file, the pixel size at 30, then next, then finish. So complete of this data merge. So remove of this file, then add of this last stack or data merge file. So these are composite or data merge or layer stacking image. So go to layers and RGB mapper, then 543, then close, then linear. So this raster image are already standard false color composite. So there are complete of this data merge or layer stacking pci Geomatica software. If my video is helpful to you, please like this video. It will be very helpful for every ArcGIS learner. Every notification from my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.